Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the operation of buck boost converter in discontinuous conduction mode. Okay, so here we are having the circuitry which is the same as that of the buck boost converter. Here the discontinuous conduction mode means the inductor current is a discontinuous. Okay, means here during T on, yes, during T is equal to T on, the inductor go on storing the energy, right? So IL go on increasing from 0. It will reach to the maximum value at T on. Okay. Next, when switch is in the off state, at that time the inductor releases the energy, right? Inductor releases the energy. The diode D will be in the conduction mode. Okay. So when inductor releases the energy and diode D will be in the conduction mode. Okay. Here the inductor is releasing the energy till beta T only, right? Till time beta T only. Okay. So after beta T, what will happen? The circuit will be at the rest position. Okay. So this is 0 to dt, it indicates the on time of the switch. Dt to beta T, it indicates the off time of the switch. Okay. And after beta T till T, right? Here circuit will be at the rest position. After T again, the next on time will start. Okay. So here now during 0 to dt, right? During T is equal to 0 to dt, right? If we apply KVL to the circuit, right? During 0 to dt means what? Switch is in the on state. Okay, switch is in the on state, right? So here when switch is in the on state, yes, it is like a, this is the one loop we are having and this is the second loop we will be having. Okay, so if you check or if we draw the equivalent circuit, it will be like switch is in the on state, inductor here we are having, inductor go on storing the energy. This voltage is VDC, right? So here this voltage is VDC. Diode will be in the open circuit mode, right? Next, here it is a capacitor. Next, and here it is a load. Okay, so it is a R here. This voltage is V0. This one is I0. Capacitor. This voltage is VC. This current is IC. L, VL, IL, and this is a VDC. Okay. Now, if you apply KVL to the loop 1, yes, KVL to loop 1, yes, it is equal to, or we can apply KVL, it is plus VDC minus VL is equal to 0. Okay, so therefore VL is equal to VDC. Okay, VL is equal to VDC, right? Next, now for this circuit, right? For this circuit again, can we write minus IC is equal to I0, or we can write it as a IC is equal to minus I0, right? IC is equal to minus I0. Okay, so this is during 0 to dt. Okay, next during dt to beta t, during t is equal to, during t is equal to dt to beta t. Okay, during dt to beta t, if you write the switch will be in the off state, switch will be in the off state. Okay, so if you draw the circuit, it is like supply will be disconnected because switch is open. Okay, inductor will go on releasing the energy, right? Inductor releases the energy. Next, diode is in the on state. Here we are having a capacitor and here it is a load, right? So the circuit will be like this. This is C, this voltage is VC. R, this voltage is V0, this current is I0, this one is IC, right? Inductor, this is VL, right? This is the IL, it is a VDC. Okay, now if we check or if we apply KVL to the loop, right? KVL to L and load, right? In this loop, if we apply KVL, so it is KVL to loop. Yes, we can write it as a minus VL minus V0 is equal to 0. Okay, so therefore VL is equal to what? Minus V0. VL is equal to minus V, right? Next, what is IC? If this is IL, so therefore this is also IL. Okay, so we can write it as IL is equal to IC plus I0. IL is equal to IC plus I0. Okay, so therefore IC is equal to what? IL minus I0. IC is equal to IL minus I0. Okay, so this is the circuit we are having, or this is the these are the expressions. Next, yes, can we write the volt second balance equation? Volt second balance equation. Okay, we can write whole second balance equation means VL into T on, right, plus VL into T off, that is voltage across inductor during T on plus voltage across inductor during T off is equal to 0, right. What is the voltage across inductor during T on? It is a VDC, right. So it is a VDC into T on means dt plus what is the voltage across inductor? It is a minus V0 into T off means T minus dt is equal to 0. Okay, so we can write it as VDC into dt is equal to what? V0 into, we can write it as 1 minus d, because it is from dt to beta t, right. It is from dt to beta t. So instead of T of, yes, we need to write it as, instead of T minus dt, we need to write it as, here we need to write it as beta t minus dt, right. Beta t minus dt is equal to 0. Okay, because it is from dt to beta t only. Okay, so it is beta t minus dt. Okay, next, so we can write it as V0 into, yes, beta minus d, I am taking it as t outside, okay, common, into t. So this t will get cancelled. Okay, so therefore we can write V0, that is nothing but the V0 average only. Okay, is equal to what? D upon beta minus d. Okay, d upon beta minus d. Okay, into VDC, right. So this is the expression for V0. We can write it as in discontinuous conduction mode. V0 in discontinuous conduction mode, okay, is equal to d upon beta minus d into VDC. Okay, whereas if you check in the continuous conduction mode or just continuous conduction mode, where in the expression it is like, also for continuous conduction mode VCCM, that is a continuous conduction mode, right, is equal to, we are having d upon 1 minus d, okay, into VDC. Okay, now if you compare these two expressions, right, so from this we can write, yes, in the numerator here we are having the 1 minus d, here it is a beta minus d, definitely beta is less than 1. Okay, so can we say that this denominator will be less than that of denominator in the continuous conduction mode? Yes, so therefore important conclusion, V0 in continuous conduction mode, it will be less than V0 in discontinuous conduction mode. Okay, discontinuous conduction mode, right. Also we can write for ampere second balance equation also, right. Also ampere second balance equation, ampere second balance equation, so we can write it as IC into T on, right, plus IC into T off is equal to 0. Okay, so what is the IC during T on? If you check, IC during T on is equal to minus I0, minus I0, so it is a minus I0 into dt plus IC during T off, it is a IL minus I0 into T off. T off is beta T minus dt, right, beta T minus dt is equal to 0. Okay, so this can be written as minus I0 into dt plus IL into, I am writing it as beta minus d into t, right, minus I0 into, yes, beta minus d into t, okay, is equal to 0, right. So further, can we shift all the I0 terms to the right hand side? So it is like IL into beta minus d into t, right, is equal to, yes, is equal to, it is a I0 into dt plus I0 into beta minus d into t. Okay, so if you take, yes, from this we can write it as I0 into t, I am taking it as a common. Okay, so it is like d plus beta minus d. Okay, and here it is a IL into beta minus d into t. Okay, so t will get cancelled, this dd will get cancelled. Okay, so from this it is equal to, therefore IL average, we can write IL is nothing but IL average. Okay, is equal to what? Beta upon beta minus d, okay, into I0 average. Okay, I0, is this clear? Okay, so this is about circuit operation or some derivations when the buck boost converter is operating in the discontinuous conduction mode. Thank you.